Hi, I'm Tom Quaid from Colliers, and today we're here at beautiful North Shore Tower on the Cairns Esplanade in beautiful Cairns North. Now, we can enjoy this incredible ocean view from the 11th floor of this building, just beneath the Subpenthouse and Penthouse apartments. So you're enjoying the best views that Cairns has to offer, 270 degrees, both over the Esplanade and out over the mountains and city as well. Let's go check this one out. Which means you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms that you can either use as a single home or a 1-bedroom and studio separated out to either maximize income or perhaps share with family. Beautifully appointed, you of course have those incredible views, central kitchen, and then nice private bedrooms to the rear with a lovely mountain outlook. With this prime position, spacious and flexible floor plan, and of course those incredible views, this is one to see as quick as you can. I'm Tom Quaid from Colliers. Look forward to bringing you through soon.